Hi guys, this is Nicole Glass. I just spent a week in Mexico and I did a lot of reflection while I was there about photography, about life, and about this channel. Those who know me might know that I've had a little bit of a mini existential crisis when it comes to this channel. When I post a video about how to make money with XYZ, in many cases stock photography, it does really, really well and people request more of those how to make money videos. When I post a video that I really truly enjoyed making, but that doesn't have anything to do with money, it usually does not do well, and a lot of times I'll actually lose subscribers. So of course I plunge into these existential crises where I wonder to myself, am I doomed? Am I stuck just making videos talking about money? How can I talk about something else without losing people's interest? You see, the thing that drives me about photography is not money. What drives me is to capture beauty and share that beauty with the world. And of course, if I can get paid for that, great. So when I was in Mexico, my camera was actually damaged on my first day in Mexico, and I basically couldn't use my camera for the rest of the entire trip. This crushed my soul because I felt like I literally just had my arm cut off. Who am I without my camera? What am I gonna do here without my camera? These were some of the things that went through my head. Of course, I still had my iPhone and my GoPro and my drone, but I was so attached to my Canon that I literally felt handicapped without it. And I think that's why the universe took it away from me for that week, so that I could literally just self-reflect and be in that location without distracting myself too much, without worrying about filming my next YouTube video or taking thousands of stock photos and spending half my time there just uploading those photos. And I did do a lot of self-reflection. For me, photography is more than just a job. Yes, of course it pays my bills, but it's also a way of self-expression, a way to speak without words. And I believe that if you find a true passion for something and you do things out of that passion, the money will come. Don't chase the money. Chase the passion and the opportunities will come to you. They will find you. Sometimes I also fall into this rabbit hole of finding all the tips and tricks and tactics to grow my YouTube channel and ways to make money so that I can turn this into a career. So I totally understand the desire to make money doing something that you love. But in my own life, when I think back on it, some of the most lucrative photography opportunities have come to me when I was just creating art and sharing it and not necessarily looking for ways to make money off of it, which is kind of interesting. If you've watched some of my other videos, you might have seen that, I've sold drone footage to Warner Brothers. I've sold photos through Instagram. I've actually, sold a photo that I posted on a blog, that I wasn't getting paid for. But just by, putting my love and my work out there, I really got paid for these things in the long run, which I actually didn't expect in those specific instances. In these cases, I was not chasing money. I was chasing, I was creating things out of my love for photography. So I guess the only thing that I really wanted to say in this video is that if you have a true passion for photography and it feeds your soul and it drives you to create something original, the financial abundance will come eventually. But if you're in this whole photography game for the money, but you have no passion and no love for photography, then you're probably not seeing the financial results that you were hoping for. I know there's definitely a lot of people who get into stock photography because they're trying to do it for the money, but they have no actual passion for the photography aspect of that. And people even say that in the comments. And honestly, if you are just looking to make quick money, then stock photography is probably not the way to go. There are better ways to make quick money. And even photography in general is not quick money. Anyone who has a photography business knows that it takes a while to, get your clients and get discovered and all of that. Stock photography and photography in general requires a lot of time and patience. Patience that comes easily to those who love the process, but not those who want fast results without the passion. So that's it for today. I hope you all have a beautiful week, and don't forget to, subscribe. And since I'm gonna have a pretty hefty camera repair bill, for my water damaged camera. It would mean a lot to me if you used my affiliate links or something. Anything really helps. It'll probably cost, I don't know. What does saltwater damage to a camera cost? Getting that repaired? I don't know. Do I want to know? Speaking of money, it'll all work out in the end. I believe that. So till next time. And if you bring your camera to Mexico, remember to get a waterproof bag, preferably one that doesn't have a hole in it.